Hello guys, today I'll show you how to create an API key on OpenAI or how to get your API key on OpenAI. Firstly, go to OpenAI API Developer Docs. Click on the login button and then enter your username and password to access your account. After logging in, locate the dashboard in the top right corner and click it. On the download screen, select API keys from the left navigation menu. In the API keys section, click the green Create a New Secret Key button at the top right. A dialog box will pop up prompting you to name your secret key, assign it to a project, and set permissions. It's helpful to use descriptive names to identify what each key is used for, especially if you'll have multiple keys for different projects. After naming your key, click Create Secret Key to generate it. You'll see your new key displayed. Copy it and save it somewhere secure. It will not be viewable again for security reasons. And your API key now ready. Be sure to keep it safe and use it to authenticate your applications with OpenAI. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.